Hi kids, so let's start with chapter number 4, constructions. Okay, it is constructions of quadrilateral, but before we start with construction of quadrilateral, just let's refresh how to draw triangles, correct? Yeah, so first of all, triangle means how many sides are given? A triangle has how many sides? 3 sides and 3 angles. So if any 3 of the things are given, we can easily draw a triangle, or we can easily construct a triangle. Now let's take an example. Over here I've taken an example of construction of a triangle when 3 sides are given. That is called SSS triangle. What do you mean by SSS triangle? Side, side, side means all 3 sides of a triangle are given. That is called SSS triangle. Okay, so we have to construct a triangle where all 3 sides are given. See the question. Draw the triangle ABC. They have also named it as ABC, in which AB is given 4.5 centimeter, BC is given 6.5 centimeter, and AC is given, or CA is given 6 centimeters. Kids, whenever we start with a construction, the first thing in your mind when a triangle is given, the first thing you have to decide what you are going to take it as the base. Base means the down bottom part, okay, of the triangle. So keep in mind always the bottom part will be your largest measurement, the greatest measurement. So which is the greatest measurement over here? BC. So you draw side by a rough figure. You will draw as the base BC, and then this way over here you will draw a rough figure. You will get down BC and up A, and you know AB is given how much? 4.5. So you will write over here 4.5, and AC you will write 6 centimeters. Now let's start with the actual figure, how the construction is done. First and foremost, you have to use construction is there. So geometrical box is required. Come on, all of you take a scale. What we need to do? Very simple. Look, this way first we form a rough figure so we get an idea how to do it. Now BC, the bottom part, we will start drawing BC. How we will draw BC? BC is given 6.5 centimeter. So with a scale, mark from 0 to 6.5. That is your B and C. Join it, name it BC, and write the measurement. Clear this much? Yeah. Now let's draw AB, that is 4.5. Now we need to use our compass. Come on, let's remove, all of you remove your compasses. Give me 2 minutes. Yeah, over here with a compass and a scale. On a scale you take the measurement on the compass 4.5, and from B you will draw a arc. The pointed part of the compass will be on B, and your pencil, with your pencil you will draw an arc. Can you see this green color line? That is called an arc. Okay, so you have drawn 4.5 arc. Now from C, CA is how much, kids? 6 centimeters. So again on a scale you will take 6 centimeters and you will draw this way. Let me show you. Yeah, this way. Okay, now your point of your compass, your pointed part will be on C, and from there 6 centimeter measurement you will draw an arc. You have to draw an arc in such a way that it intersects, it cuts the arc which is already drawn. Okay, so you will get a midpoint, and that midpoint is nothing but your A. Then with a scale you just have to join AB and AC, and this way your figure construction work is done. I will show you how to join it. See over here with the scale you have already got point A, so just join point A with B and point A with C, and then you just have to write the details. Whatever you got is this is, check it with scale if you want, you will get the same measurement. This will be 6 cent, AC will be 6 centimeters, AB will be 4.5 centimeters. So this is the required triangle which we wanted. So clear kids how to construct a triangle? And as I have told you, there are three types of triangles. Over here you see all the measurements are different. Correct? There are three types of triangle. One is called scalene triangle. Scalene triangle in which all the three sides have different measurements. So now the figure which you have drawn, that is a scalene triangle. Okay. Now if two sides are similar, for example, if AB and AC both were given 4.5, 4.5 and BC was given 6.5, that means two sides are same, then such a triangle is called isosceles triangle. And if ABC, all the sides have equal sides, like for example AB is also 4.5, BC is also 4.5 and even AC is 4.5, then such a triangle is called equilateral triangle. Kids, for drawing any sort of triangle, this is the method. You first draw the base and then find one midpoint by using the length which is given, the measurements which are given. The intersecting point which you get, from there you join it and the triangle is formed. Clear? So tomorrow we will start. I will do few examples of triangle and then we will start the actual construction of quadrilaterals. Okay kids, then see you. Chalo, bye bye.